It's been a minute. Top down, you heard? Top down, you heard?
That type shit, but look, let the top down, leave the windows up, I only see the city lights from afar. I am a star, you know, Mua. Seizure. On your Instagram, are you a follower or a leader? I can see the city lights, top down ride. I can tell she a model looking at her thighs. Another round of bottles and it's strictly for the guys. For the ride home, knocking Mary J. Blige. Try to get some money, I got several different ways. So in God's name, look the devil in his face. So all protein, I'm just looking at her waist. Only bigger with a bad off. Me and son getting